And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar family for showing so much love on these updates. I'm giving you guys these updates that you guys ask for, so please, like the video, hit that red subscribe button. But yeah, Monday started off on a really positive note. Bitcoin actually has seen some volatility, which actually has impacted the altcoin market. But overall, the momentum that we're seeing over the course of the last, few days has pretty much held on, especially for, the utility projects. Look at Hbar, look at VeChain, XRP, Link, QNT. You guys get the idea. But really what we've been discussing, some of the targets that I was aiming for Hbar in the upcoming days, really actually ended up happening. The target we spoke about literally last night actually got retested. We're going to talk about what's happening right now. What are some next targets to be looking out for? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at the price of Hbar right now on the daily time frame, it's up 34%, which is great to see. On a weekly time frame, it's up 106%, and I'm sure no one's really complaining about that. And I don't even want to show you guys the monthly time frame. It's up 543%. So if anyone thinks these projects are not moving, I hope you guys look at this again and really kind of base it off of that. But if you're looking at the price of Hbar right now, 27.8 cents, guys. We actually broke above 30 cents earlier this morning. We're seeing a little bit of a rejection. Like I said, we're going to get into it, but 28 cents price, up 37% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum compared with the market cap back above $10 billion, to be exact, 10.6 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about almost 6 billion. Amazing stuff to see. Utility projects are thriving. US-based company projects are, mooning, such as, of course, XLM, Hbar, XRP, Algorand. You guys can see a little bit of a pattern playing out. Look at Cardano, look at Algorand, look at XRP, XLM, Hbar. These projects have went up quite substantially. And a few months ago, people were calling these projects dinosaur projects. And here we are, they're thriving and they are pumping like, people are confusing. Are these meme coins or no? No, these are not meme coins. These are utility projects. But when you look at it from this perspective, what I'm about to share with you guys, these projects have gone through a consolidation phase for years and years. And there's been major amounts of, boring sideways momentum, what people call it. But, the patience really was tested for the holders. And the ones that held on, they're the ones that are, actually excited right now and making these massive, massive gains. But if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance yet again continuing to fall, this kind of confirms everything in terms of, the altcoin season. And to be quite frank with you guys, you don't really need this number to be falling lower to find out that, we're in altcoin season or not. Just take a look at it on the monthly time frame. That will tell you everything you need to know whether or not we're in an altcoin season. A lot of these projects are one by one having their time, and I think VeChain is next up. Based off of my personal opinion, because VeChain has been able to break out of a very key resistance, but you could see that altcoin season, like back in the good old days, really is playing out right now for us. But looking at Bitcoin, as I stated to you guys before, Bitcoin has seen some volatility. So, Bitcoin started off the day at $97,345. Clear fake out, making its way back down to $94,000. So imagine, the longs that got completely wrecked around here. So again, continuous reminder why you want to stay away from leverage trading. But, despite this shakeout, dominance, guess what the dominance did? It went lower. Dominance actually went below 56% this morning. If you're looking at Hbar, let me show it to you on the hourly time frame first and foremost. So, wow. Just wow. So we broke out yesterday when we made the update. We were hovering around the 25 cents price point. So since yesterday, let's kind of go back. So 25 cents price point. You did see Hbar go up an additional 20% after that, especially after we broke out of this key resistance. But I want you guys to understand where we are. So we retested the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but you're starting to see this pattern playing out. So this upwards trajectory, you do see a little bit of a pullback, then it starts breaking out. But it has been nothing but parabolic moves, for Hbar. If you were picking up Hbar literally at the beginning of this month, even the day before the election, at 4.3 cents, you are up right now 600%. That is insane. So it's complete madness. So basically why I shared this with you guys is because, of course, if you picked it up around that range, lock some profits in. You know, especially if you got in around there and you're looking at your portfolio, it's so much money that you cannot afford to lose. You know, lock some profits in. Do not listen to the trolls that are saying the price is going to go up even more, which it could. I think the prices are going higher, but that does not mean you don't want to be locking some profits in. You know, maybe take your family out for a nice dinner, buy your, you know, loved ones something nice. You know, that's what I would recommend you guys doing. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But what an amazing day. Right now, we are back above this key resistance. I really want to show you guys the importance of this. So let's go on the daily time frame. Wow. So we are officially obviously out of the bear market cycle, which was, of course, within this consolidation. That was once we popped out of that, you know, 15 cents. That's, you know, what ended the bear market cycle. But you could really see that, you know, we are back above some levels we haven't seen since, you know, last year, guys. I'm sorry, not last year, almost 3 years ago. That's where Hbar is currently sitting, and it does not want to stop here. If we're able to see that daily candle close today, a Monday daily candle close above this range where we're currently sitting at, I think, you know, we could be making our way up to the 35.8 cents quite fast. So you're seeing a very similar pattern playing out for all these coins. I think all these coins are going to do something quite similar as to what we're seeing over the course of the last few days. But there will come a time where you do see a little bit of a shakeout. I do personally think if this close does happen above here, we could be heading up to the likes of the 34 to 35 cents quite fast. So far, the steam itself is really bullish. Obviously, you want to see that close. If we don't see that close and get rejected, you know, we could be making our way down to the likes of the 25 cents, and that would not be coming as a major surprise factor to me. But what a great day for Hbar holders. Obviously, keep your eyes on, you know, the daily close, and we'll take it from there. Love you all. See you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.